Today, I'm going to discuss the spiritual benefits of water. You have heard that water doesn't have, when they say that water doesn't have enemies. Yes, it is true. So we're going to use this water to free you from bondage, from spiritual blockages that are blocking your ways. Water has a lot of spiritual benefits, okay? A lot. Has a lot of health benefits. It has a lot of spiritual benefits, okay? When you are looking for breakthrough, a lot of people complain that there is no breakthrough in their life. It looks like they are stuck in one spot. Please use water, okay? Do you know that you can use water, just water, to restore your lost glories? Okay, what do I mean by lost glories? The glory, okay, that you have, that you came to this world with, that God blessed you with, okay, maybe through act of omission or commission on your own part, or just from the enemy, okay, they just took your glory from you. You can use water to restore it. You can use water for open doors. If it looks like all spiritual doors are closed, financial doors are closed, you can use water. I'm saying all of this right now so that you know exactly what water does. And along this video, I'm going to show you one way, okay? I really want to wait for that part, that you can use water to remove blockages, to remove any spiritual projection, and you can progress afterwards. Okay, let's keep going. Do you know that you can use water for divine healing? If you're somebody that has been sick for a very long time and you have no idea what to do to solve these problems, please use water. Do you know that you can use water for divine connections? Okay, you can use water to connect, okay, to the divine, to the universe, okay, so that you can enjoy all the blessings, the abundance that God has in store for you. Do you know that you can use water, okay, to open your third eyes? Just water to open your third eyes. If you want to see beyond the ordinary, you want to see in the spiritual realms, you can use water for that. You can use water for childbearing. Do you know that? For those of you that are looking for fruit of womb, you can use water for that. Do you know that you can use water for liberation? Okay, it looks like you are in bondage. It looks like you are stuck under the yoke of the enemies and you want to be free. You can use water to free yourself. Do you know that you can use water for marital breakthrough? If nothing works in your marriage, you're always fighting, it looks like you're about to separate or you're about to divorce, okay, there's no harmony in your relationship, you can use water, okay, for marital breakthrough, even to get married. Do you know that you can use water to break generational curses? You can use water to break family curses that are following you all around, and after that you can be free. Okay, do you know that you can use water to attract a new lover? Wow, this is unbelievable. Okay, you're looking for a new lover, a God-sent lover that will love you, that will be with you every step of the way. Use water. Okay, do you know that you can use water for office protection? Office promotion. Okay, you can protect yourself in your office and you can get promotion using just water. Do you know that you can use water for purification, to sanctify yourself, to bless yourself, to purify yourself? Okay, do you know you can use water to change your destiny for better? Do you know that you can use water, okay, to gain respect in your working area? Okay, these are very powerful spiritual benefits of water that you don't know, that I'm telling you right now. Do you know that you can use water for general love? If people hate you, nobody cares for you, nobody respects you, use water. Do you know that you can use water for divine protection? Do you know that you can use water for general love? Do you know that you can use water for spiritual upliftment? Do you know that you can use water for business boom? Now, the best part that you have been looking for. Okay, this will give multiple results. Okay, it's a very powerful spiritual assignment that I want you to go right ahead and do. But I really want you to pay close attention to this. It's very, very powerful. Okay, do you want to be free from bondage? You want to be free from spiritual blockages. There is something that is blocking your way. You don't progress. You are standstill. Okay, nothing works in your life. Everything you lay your hand upon is not even successful. Money doesn't stay in your hand. Nothing even works for you. It looks like you are under the yoke of the enemy. Please do this right now. Okay, so now all you have to do is cleanse yourself from all these spiritual, because there are spiritual impurities in your life. You have to get water. If you can get rainwater, if you can get seawater, if you can get beach water, if you can get wet well water, spring water, any of this water, even tap water. Okay, get that. Okay, let's say you want to remove spiritual impurities from your life. You want to be delivered from eating or having sex in the dreams. Okay, you want your ways to be wide open. You want breakthrough to come faster into your life. Okay, you want to meet all your financial needs. Okay, you want to remove every form of hatred, okay, that people have for you. You want people to love you. You want to remove promise and fail. You want to remove near success syndrome. Okay, all you have to do is you have to get water. Okay, so whatever bad moment you are going through, please, I really want you to do this. That's why I listed all those problems first. It won't cost you a dime. Okay, now get a bucket full of water. I'm just using this as a bucket. Let's say this is a bucket right now. Get a bucket almost full of water. Okay, you see that this let's say this is a bucket. This is almost full, right? That's what you want to do when you get your bucket of water. Okay, put water inside it. Okay, let's say, for example, if it is raining, you can do that. If it is not raining, that's fine. Just get your water. All right, so now you are going to read these powerful psalms into this. Read Psalm 51, read Psalm 23 into it, one after the other. Read it, okay, one after the other. Pay close attention to the word. Okay, if you're a Muslim, look for powerful surahs in the Quran. Read it into your water. If you're a traditionalist, if you're a Buddhist, whatever your faith is, read whatever that is good to remove blockages. Okay, read them into the water. All right, you can also add small amount of salt into the water, into your bath water, and say specific names that you want. Say specific that you want. You can say this in your local language, in your mother tongue. It doesn't have to be English. You get what I'm saying? So now ask specific things that you want for your life and use your hand, your middle finger, to mix the water together. Okay, now let's say you want to do it in the morning. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, you can do it in the night. You will make sure that you go right ahead whenever you want to bath. Start taking your bath. No soap, no towel, nothing. Just use that water to bath. Remember, this is water. The only thing we are adding into it is just little salt. You get it? But the major item is water. So now go right ahead and do that. Do this like a daily thing, like you do every single day if you want. Okay, anybody can do this. Okay, pregnant women, even if you're menstruating, you can do this. It could be done any day, anytime. Don't forget that the time to do this, it depends on you. You get what I'm saying? So please go right ahead with this. You can do it on daily basis. Before, even immediately you start doing this, you will start to see changes in your life. Blockage will be removed. Near success syndrome will be gone. Okay, you'll be free. Your financial situation will start improving. Blessings, favor will start flowing into your life. This is what will happen in the mighty name of Jesus. Do that and share testimony on my channel. Watch these videos next. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. God bless you abundantly. Bye bye.